Alright, it's November 2nd still. I don't know what time it is, 2:30 maybe. Again, I don't have my watch. Alright, so still finding tree limbs. This one was on the side. I pulled it over here a little bit. That's fresh from the other day. And this one here is fresh also. Let's see, as you can see, nice and white. That's new. And so this is a big one. There it goes all the way back. Well, can't even tell. But there's still a lot of cleaning up to do. There's little stuff up there. It's all little stuff. But there's plenty of little stuff left. Okay? There's the stairs. There's some more. Here's another branch. I'll put it up there. There's another branch I found yesterday in the back again. I just laid it there. I gotta take it up front. Over here too. Here's a nice pile. There we go. This broke this time around. And here, we still have all this cleanup to do over here too. Oh, my fence. There's the one that I brought up here from down the back. So I was using a rake. All I have is electric blowers. I got one that uses gas, but who knows if it works. And that's it.